Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to do a walk around and startup video for you of this 1967 Dodge Coronet wagon. Now, this car is super cool. It's got a 318 underneath the hood, mildly built, power steering and brakes, factory air conditioning. The air conditioning is cold. Got a set of like Detroit stock mob steel wheels on it with hubcaps. This is one gorgeous little car. Big car, little car, whatever you want to call it. One gorgeous car. Now, this car came from the South. It's super solid. Has a few little imperfections here and there that I'll be glad to point out to you during the course of this video. I drove this car. It came out of Florida. I drove this car down in Florida. It runs really well. Goes down the road nice. Just a nice, cool old wagon. Functional hood. The interior is super cool too. I think the seats, they took all the seats out of a Dodge Charger and put them in the car. They look great. It's got the 4 factory style bucket seats in it with the full length console, automatic on the floor. Now the gentleman I got it from said that he thought those were original seats, which I don't think they are. I think that they are out of a Charger. He was convinced they were original. But anyway, I don't think they are, but I think they're super cool. I think this car is just absolutely awesome. It's got all the original paint and the jams. The car has had one respray, but outside of that, I'd say she looks pretty much all original. The doors open and shut nice. Your door gaps are nice. All your panel fitment is really nice on this old car. Just a super neat car. You'll see it's got a little bit of water on it. It sat outside here for a little bit. The snow and rain is starting to come in. I didn't have a chamois up here to wipe it down. I do have the air cleaner for it sitting over here. The guys were cleaning that up a little bit. Aluminum intake, Edelbrock carburetor, electric choke, power steering, power brakes, factory air. Very nicely presented underneath the hood. And this car here, we're not going to ask an arm and a leg for this car. I'm going to price this car under 30 grand, probably 29.9, something like that. Just going to price the car right down on the money. Very neat car. We just sold one of these cars here a few weeks ago. We sold down for like 37 grand. Couple little imperfections here. It's got a little bubble right here. And has a couple little bubbles up here on the top of the roof, as you can see. Outside of that, the body is very nice on the car. The paint is very nice on the car. Starts up, runs good. 71,000 miles shown. Wipers work. Radio works. Blower works. Hellacious oil pressure. Horn works. Headlights, turn signal. Super cool car. Coronet 440 wagon. Rear window goes up and down. Stainless trim and bright work on the car is in good shape. The glass is all in good condition on the car. No cracks or major breaks in the glass. Still got some water on the windshield, you can see that. I'll go get a chamois and I'll wipe the next one down, but just a super cool car. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. www.kenyonauto.com. KINION-auto.com. 563-452-2450. Give us a call today if you're interested in this gorgeous 67 Coronet 440 wagon, or maybe one of the other cars that we have in stock. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So give us a call. We'd really love to talk to you about this car, or maybe, like I say, maybe one of the other cars we have in stock. Or if you're interested in selling a classic car, we may be interested in purchasing your car. Just give us a call today with the details. We love to talk about cars. Cars, cars, cars. They had to make a song about that. They made one, Girls, Girls, Girls. We should have one that says Cars, Cars, Cars. Anyway, give us a call, everybody. 563-452-2450. KenyonAuto.com. What a neat car. Neat car, and you don't have to have a millionaire's budget to buy it. Under $30,000. Thanks, everybody.